We did it. We made it across the Grand Canyon.
And we didn't even have to do this shortcut.
Oh, there's a shortcut. Let's go find a geocache. This is a cool one. Now that I'm out of breath, luckily he's with me because I'm old and he's not, and I'm out of breath. I'm saying I'm old and you're not.
Yeah, I am.
And where the heck is the geocache?
I don't know.
Whoa, here comes the truck.
Whoa, truck.
Big old semi.
I thought it, when you said truck, I thought you said boat.
Huh.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the heck is this? Hold on. Let's check this out.
Can you help? I can reach the height. Are you sure this is it?
Yeah. Oh, ouch.
Oh yeah, it says.
Oh, there it is.
It says,
The geocache isn't there.
maybe it's inside of it.
This. Don't lose it.
Do we have to
Wait,
like?
hang on. Put it in your pocket.
Okay. Hello.
Hang on, watch out. Hello? Okay.
Is there clues?
Yeah. Blow
Away?
air through here and see
Huh?
what happens. Ready? Blow air. Go.
Whoa. That's
Go. You one with the pipe. I don't put my lips on it.
alright, kid. Just kidding, I didn't.
Hey, geocache. Oh my gosh! It fell in my hat. There it is, the geocache. That's awesome. Let's sign this cache. Oh, hi. Hey, these, look over here. These right here, now these are micros I like. Guardrails, forget about it. Lampposts, forget about it. Look at this. This thing is creative and unique and amazing. So, I want to leave you with this. Zoom in closer. Come here. Watch. Check this out. Here we go. Ready? Oh, that thing went way up there. So, do me a favor. Subscribe. Watch my other videos. Give this one a like because this cache is awesome. Heck, if you're going to give a like to anything, give it to this amazing geocache. And who knows, if you don't have one of these in your neighborhood, then maybe you can be that cacher who creates something like this. Whoa! Alright guys, I'll see you later on our next adventure. This has been Geojerry's Adventures. See ya.
And turn on notifications!
Go.
And turn on notifications.